means we can do any. So the formatting text, it has following steps how you can format it. Format means you can change what its a size, you can change its color, whatever thing you want to make changes in your format. So changing the font size, we'll see how you can do it. A font size is used to change the height and width of the character. अगर कोई character है उसको बड़ा करना है छोटा करना है, that is called as a font size or font formatting. Got it? Type the tag font with the attribute size. Size font size equals to n. N is the number of size. जितना आपको कम करना है बढ़ाना है, that is the value of n over here. Then change the font size, do the following. What is the steps here? First, you write the text. Text कहाँ लिखते हो? Where do you write the HTML text? Which text editor you use?
Notepad.
Very good. Notepad.
Notepad.
Right? So in the notepad, as I have written earlier, only the text. Can you see everyone? This is the text which we will consider. Okay. Then type the closing font tag. So this is the text here. We'll see how the text size is changing. Just move to the next page, page number 50. Page number 50.
Open.
Changing. Can you see the program in the notepad which is written in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So same, this is how you change the font size. So I'm again going to type the same thing. Heading is same. Okay. So heading they have written, this is, sorry, my world. Hi, here I'll change my world. My world. Then what is it? Had a horizontal rules, you know, how do we add, right? I'm not adding here horizontal rule. One I will add just to show you. HR, color. Everyone look here. HR color equals to blue. Then you will what? Close the horizontal rule tag. After that, the paragraph which is written here. Paragraph. This again I have to change. Paragraph. What is the paragraph written? What you have to display? Hello. Then interrogation sign. This is my first web page. Web page. Then there is which you have put a break over there. Break, which tag you use for applying the breaks?
BR.
BR tag, right? So BR, then here you come with the font size, FONT, font S size, font size equals to double column, commas, okay? What you want to write in that, you can write any name. I'll write Yamini's name. Okay, Yamini. Okay, Yamini, I have written here. Then Vanshika also I'll write. Okay, these two names I have written. Then I have closed the double quotes and I have closed the bracket. Everything you have to write same only what is there in the quote. Then use of font tag. How do you use the font tag, right? Open angle bracket, FONT. ये सेम चीज है जो पीछे स्टेप्स में दी गई थी आपको, right? In the previous page where it is written. So tag, how do you change the font size, font color, everything is there in this program. So font, then which what is this? After the open angle bracket there is a backslash, then font, bracket close, then which bracket close? The break bracket. Next, again font size. अब ये जो text लिखा है यामिनी वंशिका, I have to change its font size. Okay, so again font size I have to write the tag font size equals to whatever number you can give, whatever size. I've given 15 and they have given 16. Then you will close the tag. Then again you have to write use of font tag. Okay, and you have to open the font tag. In this step only they have changed the size also. In this program only they have changed the color also. Okay. So then what is written? Use of font tag. Use of font tag. Yes.
मैम मैम आप जो नोटपैड में करवा रहे हैं मैम उसके हमें स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है.
You should say earlier, right? Just a second.
Yes ma'am.
Why people are not saying? Now it's visible?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so same thing I'm
Yes.
writing here. Okay, so don't say like if he won't have spoken, you others what you are learning, huh? You should say if you're not able to watch. So use a font tag, then backslash font, then bracket, again BR tag, you will close it. Got it? In the next, they have changed the color. One more font they have written for color. So one is for the face, means how whatever you have written that will be reflected. The first one. This is the face, not the size. Here it should be face. Second for the size, इसका size क्या होना चाहिए? Now third I am writing here for the color. What should be the color? Color I am giving here red. Again close the bracket. Then use of font tag. This you have to write every time. Use of font tag. Then bracket close. F-O-N-T font bracket BR bracket. Break line. Line break will be there. That's why we are using BR break tag. Okay. We need a break between every line. Whatever we are represent body close and HTML close. These three things we have written here. What is that? First is on page number 49. Changing the font. क्या display करवाना है? In your book they have written monotype cursiva. Okay. I have written here Yamini Vanshika. Got it? Second, they have written the font size. They have changed the font size. I have also written 15. They have written 16. Third, they have changed the color. Now I will save it. How do we save? Go to the file. I'll just click save as. What name do you give? I can give first with the extension HTML. Got it? Because HTML. I'm saving it in the desktop. Okay. I have already made a program earlier also, so that's why this is saying yes, I want to replace that. So now where should I go to see its output? Where should I go?
Desktop.
Desktop.
Right, I should go to the desktop where I have written the code of this program. So this is the program code. Right click. It is taking some time. Then open Google Chrome. Got it? So it's taking some time till the file gets open. Just wait. Can you see everyone? Just look here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Same is the thing in your book also. See what is it? My world is the heading. Then in your book they have added 2 horizontal rules. अपनी book से compare करो the output. I have written HR1. One horizontal rule I have written in blue color. एक line आ गई blue color में. My world is the heading. Then blue color. Then hello, this is my first web page. Got it? And use of font tag here, use of font tag. This is to be displayed. Okay, in terms of font change. Font is changed. I have written in which they have written monotype cursiva. That was the font name, right? So here I should write that. then only the size will be changed. Whatever font you can take, select mono, TYPE, then for Siva. You know now what are the font types when you work with the WordPad. There you see, save. Again you have to open to see, right click, open with. Can you see? Use of font tag, it is changed. Earlier it was like this. Can you see the changes? दिख रहा है सबको changes? पहले ऐसा
I'm
था,
not person.
then it has changed to this format. Got it? So use of font change. Then I have used a color also to change the color of my font. Use of font tag. Got it? Next is font style. How do you change the style of your font? Changing the font style. Yes, Vanshika, start reading. Start reading. What is the change font style?
Changing font size. Font size is used to change the height and width of the character. To change the font size, do the following. First, type the tag angular bracket font with the attribute size as angular bracket font size equal to n angular bracket close, where n is the value of the font. For example, angular bracket font size equal to 16. Number 2, type the text. Number 3, type the closing tag using angular bracket /font angular bracket close.
Okay, so what is that? Changing the font style. Now you have to change the style of your whatever program you have written. So how you can make it bold, italic, underline, whatever it is. So to make the style bold, which tag you use? Just look at the box which is given. B tag. Then type the text. Then close the bold tag. अगर bold करना है, bold मतलब डार्क करना है अपना लाइन, तो कौन सा टैग यूज करते हो? ब्लैक में करना है बोल्ड. देन बी टैग ओपन किया, बी टैग क्लोज कर दिया. सेकंड इज इटैलिक में करना है, सेम यू यूज आई टैग, यू सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट, यू क्लोज द आई टैग. अगर अंडरलाइन करना है, यू यूज यू टैग, यू राइट द टेक्स्ट एंड यू क्लोज द यू टैग. अब हम कैसे करेंगे इन तीनों को? विल लुक है. सो आफ्टर द पैराग्राफ, ओके, हियर. So now I am removing these font styles, okay, because now we'll see what the font styles, okay. How do we make the text bold? How do we make the text underline? अब bold करने के लिए which tag? B tag. क्या लिखा? I will write this. Sorry, this is, yeah, okay, I've written this. Then I'll close the, जो open किया है वो close भी करना होता है. Got it? Close कर दिया. Then close, you have to write first bracket backslash and B. Then BR. Then I italic. Italic में अगर करना है same thing. This is italic. Yamini. Again backslash I. BR. Then underline. U for underline. This is Yami. Okay. Backslash U and tag closed. This is BR. Are you getting, everyone? Again, we have closed the body tag, we have closed the HTML.
Yes,
Just look at the page number 51. Same code I have written here, which is there in the notepad in your book, page number 51. Okay, now what I will do after writing the text, what I will do? I will save it. I'll save it.
मैम save it.
सेव कर दिए. कहाँ पे सेव हुआ? डेस्कटॉप में सेव हुआ. I will open with
Yes, ma'am.
Google Chrome. Google Chrome से ओपन किया. Can you see here? क्या क्या व्हाट 3 ऑपरेशंस वी हैव परफॉर्म्ड है। यहाँ पे सबसे पहले क्या हुआ, बोल्ड किया, तो दिस इज यामिनी, यामिनी का क्या हो गया, कलर बोल्ड हो गया, राइट, यामिनी कलर बोल्ड हो गया। इसके बाद लिखा दिस इज यामिनी, फिर से मैंने यही टेक्स्ट, सेम टेक्स्ट आई हैव रिटन टू शो 3 डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट्स, गॉट इट। पहले क्या किया, बोल्ड किया, हैव अ लुक, अपनी बुक से मैच करो, इज इट बोल्ड, जस्ट हैव अ लुक, मैच करो तीनों चीजें, हरी अप एवरीवन, मैच करो तीनों चीजें।
मैम हमें शो नहीं हो रहा है।
इन योर बुक बेटा, इज दिस नोटपैड विजिबल एवरीवन?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It might be a
I'm
network.
visual.
तो क्या क्या हुआ देखो, फर्स्ट इन योर बुक दे हैव रिटन यूज ऑफ बोल्ड टैग, बोल्ड का मतलब होता है डार्क में हो जाता है, ये दिख रहा है ना, डार्क हो गया, दिस इज यामिनी मींस बोल्ड कर दिया हमने, टेक्स्ट को बोल्ड कर दिया। सेकंड, इटैलिक, इटैलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन दे दी, दिख रहा है इटैलिक फॉर्म, लैंग्वेज स्टाइल कैसे चेंज हुआ। थर्ड इज अंडरलाइन कर दिया, लाइन लगी है ना, दिख रहा है ना सबको। तो 3 थिंग्स हमने यहाँ पे शो कर दी, एक तो बोल्ड कर दिया टेक्स्ट बी टैग यूज करके, सेकंड इटैलिक कर दिया आई टैग यूज करके, थर्ड हमने उसको अंडरलाइन कर दिया यू टैग यूज करके, गॉट इट। नेक्स्ट इज मार्क्यू टेक्स्ट। अब मार्क्यू टेक्स्ट क्या होता है, ये स्टार्ट रीडिंग, आयुष स्टार्ट रीडिंग, व्हाट इज मार्क्यू टेक्स्ट?
Yes, ma'am. Marquee text. A marquee displays a scrolling text message. You can place moving or scrolling text in your web page using marquee tag. To use the marquee, do the following. First, type the tag marquee. Second, type the text. Third, type the closing tag marquee.
Okay, what is it now? You have to do what? You have to what? Use marquee. Marquee क्या होता है, दिख रहा है बुक में, it is a scrolling text, जो टेक्स्ट घूमता है, right here, वो it's a scrolling. So I will use after the paragraph. Now I will delete these 3. This type the marquee tag. I will delete these 3. Again, open angle bracket, which tag? Marquee, MARQUE, close. What I want to show? Wow. Interrogation sign. It's scrolling, or this is my world. कुछ भी आप डिस्प्ले करवा सकते हो, डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, ओके। दिस इज स्क्रॉलिंग, देन यू हैव टू क्लोज द व्हिच टैग, मार्क्यू टैग, MARQUE. This tag you have to close also, got it? Again, body clause HTML. Again, I have to do save, go to file, save, where I will see the output again, desktop, open with Google Chrome. दिख रहा है? Have a look everyone. What is happening? Look in the screen here. Screen is visible. Which text is scrolling?
Ma'am, visual.
Which text is scrolling?
How it is scrolling. It's
Look
scrolling.
again.
This
What is written?
Wow, this is my world.
दिख रहा है ना सबको? ये कैसे घूम रहा है? Which tag? Marquee text. Everyone, Mehak, look here in the screen. Marquee text से क्या होता है? सबको लगा पता Marquee text से क्या होता है? Scrolling text आपको मिलता है. Text क्या होगा? Scroll करेगा. Clear है everyone in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Text will be scrolling. Got it? So all those who have the laptops, I'm again repeating, they can practice this at their homes also. Got it? So Marquee text is clear. Then we have the adding comments. Kritik, start reading. What are adding comments?
Yes, ma'am. Adding comments. Comments are very useful while writing a program. Comments are like notes. You can add comments in your web page. Comments are not visible in browser window. To add comments, do the following. Number 1, do the symbol with
What symbol?
within the
What is the name of the symbol, Kritik? क्या बोलते हैं symbol को? क्या बोलते हैं symbol को? Interrogation sign.
interrogation symbol within the opening angular bracket as interrogation symbol. Number 2, type the comment. Number 3, type the closing angular bracket
Okay, stop.
as.
So now, what is header? Comments क्या होते हैं? Comments are very useful while writing programs. Comments आपको बताता है कि आपने क्या चीज लिखी है, right? But they are not visible in the browser window. Browsers में आपको show नहीं होगा. These comments are not visible in which window? Browser window. Browser means Google हो गया, Chrome हो गया, जहां पे हम आउटपुट देख रहे हैं वहां पे comments show नहीं होंगे. Got it? Comments are not visible in the browser window. It is written in a book also. So for writing the comment, simple, you can write a comment after the paragraph. Again, I'll delete this Marquee one text. And after it, after the paragraph, I'm using open bracket. With which sign you write comments? Interrogation signs. Type the symbol. देखो symbol type किया मैंने, right? Interrogation symbol type किया. Then this is comment. This is comment. Then I have closed the bracket. Okay, simple. This is the comment. अब ये जो मैंने line लिखी है, this will not be displayed. अगर मैं इसको save करूं, I go to the file, I do save. But if I see its output, अगर मैं इसका output देखूं यहाँ पे, open with Google Chrome. Shall I? Did I get the line? दिख रहा है आपको? जो मैंने लिखा था, this is the comment. No ना?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं दिख रहा? Did you get this? ये वाली लाइन दिख रही है आपको? This is comment. This is comment लिख रहा कहीं पे? So
Yes, ma'am.
it is not written. That's why it is called at कि ये browser window में show नहीं होता है. It is just for the information, right? आपके लिए stop writing in the screen. Else I'll stop sharing the screen and I'll just leave the class. People who don't want to study, they have the options, they can leave the class. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
People who come in the class just to disturb others, right? It's better they don't come to the class only. Okay. Next is setting the background color. अब जो background color होता है, background color means ये white दिख रहा है ना आपको, इसका color change करना है. जो white दिख रही है screen, दिख रही है? How we'll change its color? So to change its color, what we will do? हम head के बाद, we'll open the notepad. After the head, body, we use which tag to change the background color? Body, BG,
Body tag.
BG color tag, body BG color tag equals to pink. I have given pink background. I'll give green background, not pink. Green, then bracket, close. Rest things are same. Heading will be my world. Okay. So here I will not close the body here. Body I have opened. Body मैंने पहले ही open कर दी है. Inside the body I have written the text. Okay. Again I will save it. And where do I see the output? In the desktop. Again go to the desktop. First, this is my program. Google Chrome. Can you see everyone what happened?
I'm नहीं sure.
I'm नहीं.
नहीं show रहा.
Wait,
I'm नहीं हो रहा show.
is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm visual.
So what happened? What change can you see here? क्या
Black.
हुआ?
Green background.
See, first the background was this. Okay. Now the background has changed to what? Which color?
Green color.
Green color.
Green color.
So have you noticed मैंने सिर्फ एक टैग यूज किया यहाँ पे. Inside the body I have written BG color green. ठीक है. So उसके बाद body के अंदर I have written this tag. इस tag से क्या हुआ? Background got changed to green color. Got it? Next is inserting the images. How do we insert the images? Yes, start reading. Anandi 1033, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Inserting images. You have seen the web pages with lot of pictures. You can also add pictures in a web page. To insert a picture in a web page, type the tag img with the attribute src as image. Src is equal to image file with complete path. For example, img src is equal to d slash wallpapers wallpapers point.
Okay, Anandi. So what is it? Inserting images. अब हमने जो background color का change किया है, we have to insert images in that. So insert image करने के लिए you have to use which tag? img srg. कहाँ पर insert करना है? After the paragraph. Okay. Body अगर color background color change करना है, you have to add after the body. अगर आपको image insert करनी है, you have to add what after the paragraph? Which tag? img image tag, then src
C.
equals to d capital. You can write here the wallpaper
Wallpapers.
backslash, sorry, this one slash wallpaper means from where you are taking it. Okay, wallpaper कहाँ से, जहां से भी आपको इमेज उठानी है, that text you will write here. Wallpapers, then backslash flowers means whatever is there in your computer. Okay, that you can show. I don't have flowers here. Whatever I have, that I will show flowers or whatever it is. Okay, so इससे क्या होगा, इस टैग से .jpeg, इस टैग से क्या होगा, what will happen, इस टैग से क्या होगा,
Insert.
क्या इंसर्ट,
An image.
इमेज इंसर्ट होगी कहां पर, where the image will be inserted,
Ma'am, web page.
web page. Right now it's not inserting. Why? Because I don't have this flower image in my computer. Okay, so whatever image is there, that will be inserted. Is that clear? You have to give that address. जो एड्रेस होगा जहां पर सेव होगा, जिस ड्राइव में भी सेव किया होगा आपने फोल्डर, जहां पे भी, जैसे मैंने यहाँ किया है, आई पिक दिस इमेज, राइट, इसका लोकेशन निकालना होगा, दैट आई हैव टू टाइप देयर. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
देन सेटिंग इमेज एज द बैकग्राउंड. एक तो इमेज सेट कर दी, अब उसी इमेज को अगर आपको बैकग्राउंड बनाना है, विच टैग यू यूज, बॉडी बैकग्राउंड. बॉडी बैकग्राउंड के अंदर आपने लिख दिया स्टॉप स्क्रॉलिंग द स्क्रीन else I'll just remove you from the class. Don't want to study, you will leave the class. You have the options. Don't disturb the other people. Yes, setting image background. Read. Athar, start reading. Setting image as a background. Start reading. How do you set image as a background? पढ़ो जल्दी से.